In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for your Microsoft Teams meetings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop, or if you're using a mobile device, make sure it's up and running on your Android device. Once you have Microsoft Teams opened, look for the calendar icon located in the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this icon will take you to your calendar view. Now, take a moment to find the specific meeting from your calendar for which you need a QR code. It should be easy to locate, but feel free to scroll to the date of your meeting if necessary. Once you find it, click on it to open the meeting window. This window contains all the details of your meeting. Next, look for the Copy Link button within the meeting window. This button is usually labeled clearly and will allow you to save the meeting URL to your clipboard. Click on the Copy Link button to ensure that the meeting link is now copied. With the link saved, it's time to open a new browser tab. You can do this by clicking on the new tab icon in your browser or by using the keyboard shortcut. Now in this new tab, navigate to the website tinyurl.com. This site is great for shortening long URLs, making them easier to work with and share. Once on tinyurl, you'll see a designated URL box. Go ahead and paste your copied Microsoft Teams meeting link into this box. Take your time to ensure that it's pasted correctly. After pasting the link, look for the button that says Shorten URL. Clicking this button will generate a smaller version of your link, making it much easier for others to type or scan. After the shortened link appears, you'll notice an option for a QR code next to it. Select this QR code option. This step will convert your shortened URL into a QR code, allowing your meeting attendees to scan it easily with their mobile devices. Finally, once the QR code is generated, look for the Save button on the page. Clicking this button will allow you to download the generated QR code image directly to your computer. Save it in a location where you can easily access it later, whether that's your desktop or a specific folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Microsoft Teams meeting. This QR code can now be shared with your attendees, allowing them to join the meeting quickly by scanning it with their phones. This can greatly enhance the convenience of joining meetings, especially for large groups or when you're in a hurry. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.